Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take the keychain that we already had and modify it to make my own shape that I would like. Or you can go up to Learn, and we can just modify something that we've already got going on here. So I'll click on Lessons, and I will come down to the keychain project on here. And when we made this for the tutorial before, it had the name Katie on it. But I'm going to just, let's see, we'll click done here. I can modify it, or I can start a new one, reset, and work from there. So let's say for this keychain, I want to make one for, I don't know, maybe I want to make one for Mills. So I'm going to come and grab the Mills letters, M-I-L. There's only one L, so I'm going to grab another one by saying Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Oops. Undo. Okay. Now I want to make sure I center these letters, so I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to click Shift and grab all of them, and I'm going to align them. And actually, I'm going to, there's a way, if I wanted to use the text tool instead, I could make sure that they were spaced out properly, but for this purpose, I'll just keep this. I'm going to click Shift. I'm going to grab them all again. Oops. Undo. Okay. I'm going to grab them all again. And I'm going to grab the keychain shape. And I'm going to come up to Align again and make sure that I have them all centered this way. So that way my letters are evenly spaced on there. I'm going to shorten this. And for this case, I'm going to respace these. There is a way that you can really make sure things are nice and even. Since we're only doing this for 2 weeks, I'm not going to worry about showing that to you. But if you want to look it up on the computer, you are more than welcome. YouTube has so many great tutorials. So once again, I'm going to grab my Shift button, and actually I'm going to highlight everything here and grab my Align tool and align it back to the middle. So that way I know they're evenly spaced top and bottom. And then I'm going to grab all of these letters, and I'm going to use my left arrow just to sort of, actually I can grab this one also, Shift, and I can click my Align tool and I can align it. Nope, I can't do that because it'll move them all to one side. So I'm going to leave it how it is, and I'm going to zoom out and get rid of all of these, delete, and then I'm going to highlight everything here and group it together so that it's one object. If I look at this and think, oh, I don't like how that looks, then you can just highlight them all and ungroup it. Okay. And I might decide that I want to add a little border on the edge. You can just totally have a great time with this, making it look like whatever you want. But if you don't have time to completely redesign your own keychain, this is a nice, quick, and easy way to make one using a template that has already been made. Before you go, it would be a good idea to rename the file. So I'm going to come up here to where the file name is, click Change Name, and I'm going to change it to Keychain and my name. And this is my third keychain design, so I'm going to put a number 3 just to keep them organized.